Welcome to my site. As a multifamily broker, I've had the opportunity to transact with the most elite investors in the world over the last 20 years. From small 1 to 10 person companies to national syndications and REITs. It's the elite that are buying and selling far more assets per year than everyone else. Now, I've also watched a lot of sellers and buyers do all the wrong things that have resulted in a very short investment career. To you, the investor, my goal is to reveal how to be showered with every deal in the market, how to win those deals, and for sellers, I show how to get record-setting prices and how to analyze markets like a boss so you can make sound decisions when buying and selling assets. I'll also give plenty of advice on market trends, underwriting, and the do's and don'ts of multifamily investing to help you grow a sustainable, long-lasting investment business. I highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell when you're there so you know each week when I put out helpful content. Oh, and every now and then, I'll post new listings to my subscribers only before I advertise anywhere else. Let's go!